All right, everybody, so welcome back to the farm. I just want to share this with you guys. This is our fly recipe that's organic, and it works amazingly on cows. And I've never used it on hogs because I don't really have a fly problem with hogs, but on my cows, obviously, it is extremely important. So I do spray this on them, and you can see the flies, they completely go away. Right when you spray it on them, they'll be gone for 8 to 10 hours. So if you're close up with your cows like I am with a small herd, it works really well. So here is the recipe. You take a squirt bottle, like a regular squirt bottle that you can buy. And I like the yellow top ones, I forgot the name of them. The Zeke bottles or whatever they are. Here they are, right here. Zep bottles, I'm sorry. That's what we use. And this is the recipe. So you do 4 cups of apple cider vinegar, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of dish or castile soap. I think normally we use Dawn dish soap. 20 drops of essential oil, spearmint, lavender, or rose geranium, and I really recommend rose geranium. It works by far. So far, I've seen that work the best. And you can use rosemary or peppermint. And then you shake it up, and you just fill the rest up with water. You do all this ingredients here. Fill that jug up completely. All this ingredients here with a funnel and the essential oils. Oh man, the flies, once you spray them, they will never come back. I mean, 8 hours, not never come back, but 8 hours, you'll see them completely be off of them. So highly recommend this if you have a small herd and you can get up close to them. Jackson, my bull, I have to spray kind of far away from him, or catch him at the water trough, or catch him feeding or something like that. But guys, I highly recommend this recipe. Here it is, and you will not be disappointed. I've been using this same recipe for years on our cows, and that's really all we use it for is our cows. So here it is. If you're interested, try it out, and I promise you won't be disappointed. If you have a herd of like 100 cattle, you can forget it, obviously. But if you have a small herd like I do, 7 or 8 cows, then it's a lot easier. So highly recommend this recipe, and screenshot it, try it out. You will not be disappointed. Put all that in a funnel, fill the rest up with water, and oh my God, you'll see the flies. They will just be gone off your cows. So all right guys, just another quick tip here on the farm. Save this because you will need it. Peace out.